Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I want to make this brief but very important video to show you guys how you can actually integrate the BNB Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. Okay, so the video is all about MetaMask and how you can incorporate your BSC Smart Chain to MetaMask. You and I know that using just Ethereum on the MetaMask to send coin is quite expensive, and for that reason, now we've come up with an idea on how one can actually send coin, do your transaction on MetaMask with BSC Smart Chain, which we all know that the network is quite reasonable, compared to Ethereum. So I want to assume that you've installed MetaMask on your PC already, but if you haven't, what you just need to do is to come down, click on this tree icon on your PC, then you come down to More Tools, then you come down to you click on Extensions. When you click on Extensions, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you click on this three dot here. It's going to bring you here. Then you click on this Open Chrome Web Store here. Okay, when you click on this Open Chrome Web Store here, it's going to bring you down to this Chrome Web Store. Then all you just need to do is to type in MetaMask here. Type in MetaMask. Okay, you type in MetaMask, then you can see, just click here. As you can see, I've added it already. You look up here, you see that I have MetaMask on my PC already. But if you don't have it already, that's the reason why I'm showing this, okay? So let's get started with the tutorial proper. So what you need to do is this. On your system, just click on the MetaMask icon. Now, this particular idea on how to use BSC on the MetaMask platform is a very wonderful idea because it will actually help you to reduce transaction fees automatically. Okay. Now, when you click on the MetaMask icon, this is the exact picture you're going to get. How actually looks. Hold on, please. Let it load. This is how exactly it's going to look. It's going to come only with this Ethereum mainnet. Okay, it's going to come exactly like this. Now, I'm going to show you something. On my own system, I've actually added the BSC Smart Chain. So I'm going to click up here. You can see this is Ethereum mainnet, and if I click here, you can see this is BNB. You can see this is the BSC Smart Chain network here. Okay. But in your own case, if you've not added it, you will not have something like this. Now, let's assume you're just going to add it and your doesn't have BNB Smart Chain on it. This is exactly how it's going to look like. So what you do next is this. You're going to click on this three dot here. You're going to click on this three dot here. Then you click on Expand View. So when you click on the Expand View, it's going to load up. Then after it loads up, it's going to take you to the wider page of the MetaMask. As you can see, we can boldly see the MetaMask interface here. So now for we to add the BSC Smart Chain to our MetaMask, you just click on this icon up here. Then you click on Add Network. Now when you click on Add Network, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then what you do is this. On your Chrome, you just go down to your Chrome and you type Binance Smart Chain MetaMask. You can see here. You just type in Binance Smart Chain MetaMask. Okay. Then you click on it. So when you click on it, the first link you are going to see after that search, which is https://academy.binance.com, okay, is what you are going to click on. This particular one, okay, this is what you're going to click on. I can even put the description. I can put this link on the description of this very video below. You click on this. When you click on this particular link, it's going to load and it's going to show us the parameters, okay, the link we are going to put into the MetaMask parameter for us to have the BSC smart chain on our MetaMask, okay. So you just scroll down a bit, you scroll down, you're just going to scroll down, then it brings you to this particular place where you see mainnet. This is the one you are probably looking for. This particular place is what you are going to, this particular place is where you are going to stop and you are going to copy those links into the parameters I'm going to show you now. You come down to these parameters here, okay? Then you copy on this place where it says smart network name. You're going to copy this smart chain. You can see you copy smart chain here. You copy the smart chain, you put it here. Okay. This new RPC URL, you're going to copy this particular one. Make sure you copy everything complete. Okay. Make sure you copy it complete in order for you to get the whole thing right. Okay. You see, it's saying this URL is currently used by the smart chain network because I already have it on my own MetaMask. That's the reason why it's writing this. But if you're doing it, it's going to show you this. Okay. Then you also come down here. This client ID, client where it says client ID here. You copy that 56. You put 56 here. This current symbol, you're going to put BNB here. You're going to copy the BNB. Okay, and you put BNB where it says current symbol. Okay. Then where it says block explorer URL, you copy this URL down here. Okay, you copy it here and you come down here and you put it down here. Okay, now after inputting all those parameters properly, you're going to see this icon where it says save. It's going to come bold and you click on it. Now it's not going to come bold because I already have BSC smart chain installed on my MetaMask. Okay, so you click on this save. When you click on this save, okay, when you click on this save, automatically it's just going to bring you down here, okay, where you also have this smart chain. It's going to bring you directly here where you're going to see this 0 BNB. If you see this 0 BNB, it means that you already have the BSC smart chain incorporated into your MetaMask. Okay, so now you can easily send BNB to your MetaMask platform. Okay, so this is your BNB address up here. Okay, you just come down here, you click it, you go to Binance, KuCoin, or wherever you want to send your BNB coin to your MetaMask. You send it directly here. Okay, you can see how easy and simple it is for you to incorporate your BNB. Okay, Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. Okay, that's just the simplest way of doing it. Okay, and also if you want to import token into your MetaMask, this is also also the parameter for you. You put the token contract address here, you put the symbol here, you put the decimal, and you click on add custom token, and automatically we have it appear down here. Okay, so this is the easiest way where you can actually incorporate your BNB BSC smart chain to your MetaMask. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video, right? And if you got value from this video, please like this video. I would really appreciate you to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that when I drop other very important and informative videos like this, you'll be the first to get to see it. Okay, now I want to appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video, even as I look forward to you liking the video and also subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your time and take care. Bye bye.